This video we will talk about how to work with MongoDB database, provide live data for our backend APIs. It is a long video. We will divide into few chapters. The first one, define database schema. Second one, create and fetch data from database. Third one, connect to MongoDB database. The last one, render data in front end with React.js. How to define database schema? Create a new folder named models under backend folder. Inside the folder, create a new file named product.js. First, import Mongoose node package. Next, create a product schema variable. This product schema will define each key, which maps to product data collection. Each key defines the properties in our document. Here is the key list we need to define for our product schema. It includes name, description, price, category, image, stock, created at. Do we need an ID as index? The answer is that MongoDB will automatically generate ID key for us. However, it will be named _ID. Let's look into the code on the screen. The first key is name. The type is string, camel case, required set to true. If the name value is empty, it will output the error message as the following text. Set trim to true. It will remove the white spaces in the beginning and at the end. We can set the maximum or minimum length. The following key is price. The type is number, camel case. We can set default value to 0. Description key is similar like a name. Images key is an array. The product will have multiple images, displaying as showcase gallery. Category has enum property. It has predefined values. If user entered any other values, it will display the error message as the following text. Created at. The key type is date. It has default value as the current timestamp. In real production environment, the product schema will be much more complex. This tutorial is for beginner level. We will keep it as simple as minimum. The last line to explore the product model, you can name it whatever you like. Now we have finished our product schema design. Next video, we will create and fetch data from database.